Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a couple months worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like through this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been doing this analysis pretty much day in and day out, and today, so far, a big event is underway from a technical perspective, and for those of you that have watched the past videos, you probably know exactly what I'm talking about, but this quote-unquote event revolves around this purple line right here, the 50-period simple moving average, and the fact that the price is now up above it. So in technical terms, in trading lingo, a breakout is underway. But this does lead to the question going forward. And then real quick before I get to this question, this is not like a secret question that I've discussed. No, anybody that understands charts, anybody that uses charts is going to be wondering the same question. And that question is this breakout of that 50-period simple moving average, a purple line, a true breakout? Now, what is a true breakout? True breakout has two parts. The first part is the obvious one. Well, yeah, price has to break above a certain level. The second part is, though, can the price maintain above that breakout level? Can the price stay above it? Case in point right here, we can just go back in the history here of the Bitcoin chart. So we don't need to do all of them, but we'll just go through a history. So, right here you can see, yeah, step one, the price broke above that purple line. But step two, could never maintain, fell back below. Then a bunch of times here, it was just, couldn't even complete step one. Again, right here, step one completed several times, but when it came to step two, maintaining, fell back below. Step one completed right there, but when it came to step two, fell back below. And once more, well, I guess over here we had step one, couldn't even get completed. But then what I've already talked about right here, that is where step one has been completed, and that's the big question going forward. Is this a true break? Can the price maintain above that purple line? Your guess is as good as mine. There's no such thing as a guarantee. But the fact of the matter is the price has broken above that level. Now it's just a question of can the price get continuation, and it's going to get continuation if this is a true break. So over the weekend, that is definitely top priority number one, is staying up above that purple line. By no means am I saying it's got to get back up above 10,000 or anything like that. Priority by far, like I said, number one, staying above that purple line, because as I've just shown, it's really struggled to do that in the past. So we'll see if this breakout is any different or not compared to the past history. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.